Welcome to my weekly Pearls of Intuition, your online destination for expansion and growth. This week, I have come up with a beautiful concept on our limiting belief of deserving. How much do you deserve? And all those who are joining me for the first time, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author, and a therapist. We want many things in our life, but we don't get everything we want, and we wonder why we don't get those things. A big reason for it has to do with the limiting belief of deserving. Do you think you deserve good things in your life? Today I shall be sharing an exercise from Louise Hay, You Can Heal Your Life companion book, which I'm sure not many are aware of it. If at the deepest core of our being, we don't feel we deserve to have what we wish for, that belief will block those things from coming into our life. We end up settling for less than what we truly desire as a result of our limiting beliefs. To achieve our goals in life, it is necessary to work on our beliefs as well as take appropriate action towards what we really want. This exercise on the belief of deserving consists of 7 questions which are designed to help us better understand our belief, and it is like a self-reflection. I will read the questions and shall give you some time to reflect upon it, and you can answer as specific as possible in your journal. And this will be like an online therapy where at the end I shall be sharing deserving healing commands that will help you replace your limiting belief. So stay tuned till the end and watch the full video. I will also be sharing my responses to these 7 questions. I have gained some valuable insights from this exercise, and I hope it helps you as well. Now I invite you to answer these questions and go with it to expand and correct all your limiting beliefs. Question number 1. What do you want that you do not have in your life now? Be clear and specific about your desire. My answer to this question is, I want to have vibrant good health till my last breath. Every day of my life, I want to wake up feeling energetic, healthy, and hopeful. I want to continue making a positive difference in the world. I want to fully utilize my God gifts of intuitive powers that I am expressing well through my therapies and training. What is your desire for your life? Having a desire is very important as it is helping us to look forward to life. You can't live life without having a desire to grow and expand. It's a universal law that either you expand or you contract. So if you say that you don't have any desire in your life, you will begin to contract. Question number 2. What did you learn about deserving in your childhood? I have simplified the questions from the book to make it easy for you to understand. You can take some time and write down in your journal. My answer is, in my childhood, I did not feel I deserve good things. So I had to work and earn respect and praise. I felt that I had to do what was expected of me in order to win love and approval. Earning would only work for me on a temporary basis. I would get approval in the moment and then it would be fleeting. I never felt appreciated no matter what I did. But today, life is so different when even strangers express their gratitude. I deserve the love and respect. Question 3. Do you feel that you are deserving of good things, or do you feel that you have to do something to earn them? Are you good enough? Now I feel more deserving than I did in the past and have been helping others to believe that they deserve the best in life as we are loved by God, our spiritual Father. My reaction to "Are you good enough?" is that of course I am good enough, But at times I feel as I haven't lived up to my full potential in life. So I want to encourage others to expand and grow. Question 4. Do you deserve to live? Why or why not? I definitely feel that I deserve to live. No question. This hasn't always been the case clearly, as I used to engage in such reckless and self-destructive behavior. Now I feel that I'm worthy of life and I'm worthy of good things in life. I shouldn't have to earn the good things I have, or I don't have to feel guilty for what I have. I want to be able to just be grateful and happy for my blessings and to trust that I have them because I deserve them. Question 5. What do you have to live for? What is the purpose of your life? Most of us have this question, what is my life purpose? Reflect on your life. My response is, I have many things to live for. I have my wonderful, supportive husband, my children, my family, and my friends. I feel that I have my intuitive powers to make a difference in the life of so many others. I feel I have my potential joy and future happiness to live for. About the purpose of my life, I feel that it has to do with inspiring and empowering others, as that makes me happy. I feel that I can be a force for good and a person who can help others to release themselves from their bondage, the bondage of their own creation. I feel that I can help others to be more free and to experience more joy and happiness in their life. Question 6. Whom do you need to forgive in order to deserve things? I feel that I have forgiven most of the other peoples in my life at this point. I mostly need to forgive myself in order to feel more deserving. I also need to forgive myself for the fact that I have changed careers many times instead of sticking with one, but it has made me who I am today. My choice and my actions have shaped me into the person and I am today, and I think that person is a good person. Question 7 and the last question. What do you deserve? Do you believe I deserve love and joy and all the good things? Or do you feel deep down that you deserve nothing? Are you willing to let go of your limiting belief about disability? You know what? I do believe that I deserve love and joy and all good. It's taken me time and many years to get to this point where I can say that. I now know that there are still some under-deserving belief which needs to be healed, but basically I believe that I am a good person who tries my best to be and do good. I am saying with confidence that I approve of myself and I am willing to awake with joy and live my life in joy and peace. I am willing to change, I am willing to grow, and I am willing to love and accept myself fully as I am while working to create the life of my dream. Before we jump into the therapy, here are a few affirmations that will also help you. It may be helpful to repeat these phrases either loud or silently to yourself when you find yourself feeling down on yourself or discouraged about life in general. The affirmations are: I am deserving. I deserve all good. I now move past all negative, restrictive thoughts. I no longer identify with limitations of any kind. Now I will be guiding you with therapy to replace your limiting belief. But in case if you wish to have personal one-to-one guidance, then do share your answers with me and you can seek professional therapy. Let's begin this therapy. You can listen to this with either eyes closed or open, but relax yourself and listen when you are not driving or working. You need to repeat this last part of this video 21 days, and after first listening, you can request me for only the therapy part, which I will share with you through my Google Drive. So here is the meditation. So close your eyes Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in, and while you're exhaling, say the word relax, relax, relax. This relaxes your entire body from the top of your head till the tip of your toes. Once again, take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Once again, taking a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Return your breathing to normal level. Now focus on the commands I am sharing with you. I deserve all good things in my life. I am one with life, and all of life loves and supports me. I am deserving. I deserve all good. Not some, not a little bit, but all good. I now move past all negative, restricting thoughts. I release and let go of the limitations of my parents. I can love them and I can go beyond them. I am not their negative opinions nor their limiting beliefs. I am not bound by any of the fears or prejudices of the current society I live in. I no longer identify with limitation of any kind. In my mind, I have total freedom. I now move into a new space of consciousness where I am willing to see myself differently. I am willing to create new thoughts about myself and about my life. My new thinking becomes new experiences. I now know and affirm that I am at one with the prospering power of the universe. As such, I now prosper in a number of ways. The totality of possibilities lies before me. I deserve a good life. I deserve an abundance of love. I deserve good health. I deserve to live comfortably and to prosper. I deserve joy and happiness. I deserve freedom to be all that I can be. I deserve more than that. I deserve all good. The universe is more than willing to manifest my new beliefs. This is the truth of my being, and I accept it as so. All is well in my world. Stay in this feeling for some time. Bring a smile to your face. You deserve all good things in your life. I deserve. With this thought that you deserve, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes, feeling better than before. You may repeat this meditation for 21 days. Now be sure to hit that big red subscription button down below and turn your notification on so you don't miss my weekly videos. And if you found today's video valuable, do share with your family and friends and let us together make a difference. And be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps others find these videos and supports our channel as well. Also, if you ever want to connect directly with me for coaching or therapy, you just need to pick up your phone and the details shared in the description below. Do raise your frequency high and keep it high until we meet next. Light and fragrance to all of you.